to be teaching you how to make a pen text engine in Scratch. First, you want to go to My Blocks and you want to make a block. Then you want to call it type string. Now add an input, call it string. Add a label, call it spacing. Now add an input called spacing. Add a label called X. Add an input called X. Add a label called Y, and add an input called Y. Then add a label called color. And add an input called color. Then add a label called size. And finally add an input called size. Okay, then you want to click Run Without Screen Flash and then click OK. Then in this block you want to do a repeat. Before that you want to switch costume. No, you want to set size to size. You want to go to X and Y. You want to, and you also want to set color effect to color. Okay. Then you want to do repeat length of string. Create a new variable, call it I or index. Then you want to set I to 1 before we repeat, and in the repeat length of string you want to change I by 1. Before that you want to do switch costume to drag out a letter 1 of apple, and you want to do letter I of string. Then you want to go to extensions and click on the pen extension. Then you want to do a stamp block, and then you want to change X by spacing. And then now if you test it by typing hello with spacing of 12, X0, Y0, color like 0, and size 100. You also want to do a forever loop, and just in case, do erase all, and boom. Now it shows hello, but also you want to hide the sprite if you want it to be nicer, and you can literally type anything with this. Hello world. Hi. And you can also put like variables into the X and Y coordinates. So like mouse X and mouse Y, and it'll move towards your cursor. And there's lots of things that you can do with this block. Like and subscribe for the next video. Bye.